Okay, Assalamualaikum. I am Luqman Razali. I am from Faculty Information Management, and this is my review of the MOOCs. So, as we all know, MOOC is defined as a massive open course. There is low participant, the free access and unrestricted participation to any course of their choice. Besides the conventional modes of teaching such as lectures, videos and reading materials, MOOCs also provide a platform for interactive forums. And here is my points. MOOCs can be offer variety of subjects. These such as college schedule are tight, so you might not be able to take every course that you want to. And the second point is familiarize with college level before enrolling. Through this, you can take a MOOC that will help you understand which college class that like before you are paying for them. And for the next point is learn from peers from around the world. And there's anyone from any country with internet access can apply in this MOOC application. And that's all my points. Thank you.